Background music, please.
All our speech is made by our Roots machine. Okay, thank you. The second one
The second one is
The second one is Superman,
Okay,
and Bart and VR. Okay, this is our third model. It's dress made by the strong shape and super effective yoga clothes. And the fourth model here should made with blue fabric. Okay, let's see the model show with our four models together.
a big round of applause for these models.
मैंने क्या कहा था आपको? यस
Okay, please, our models give the final shows.
Thank you so much. Please, have a seat.
Okay, thank you. So for all our friends who have interest to take pictures, photos and pictures with our model, we have the specific background and the outside. Okay, thank you. In the China and overseas factory to test machine efficiency. So let's see the feedback from the factory.
Since we use tourists, our company almost no need to adjust machine to change that.
When we change different fabric for different styles, you don't have to pay extra money for machine repairs, and which reduces lot of cost.
Yours is very useful. No thread broken, no fabric splitter, good performance.
It's very easy to use when changing different fabric. Don't need technician to adjust it.
The performance is very smooth. Stitch width and distance all are very good.
Then strings will like and stitch less thickness will not wrinkle. The stitch looks good.
Now this machine is very good. The stitch is very beautiful and smooth. The performance is also before we use this font. Here always the condense stitch are never broken. After use this machine now.
Thank you. So through the tests and the feedback from the factory, so we just want to let our friends know what we can provide for you. So for our Roots machine compared with current popular machine, we can provide both production efficiency and quantity improvements. For the efficiency, just so for the same fabric, we can improve at least 20% efficiency. And for the extreme fabric, maybe for the basic fabric, improve at least 10%. And for the quality, we can see our space is same, whatever which kind of fabric, cross see what you